how to save videos from YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can save videos from YouTube. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically go ahead and then actually save videos from YouTube, you can actually download videos from YouTube if you want to view them online. So first of all, go ahead and then open up YouTube and then just play a certain video over here. So let us wait until this ad has been successfully closed here as well. Now after this ad has been closed, let's say the video is actually being played. If you would like to save that particular video, what you have to do from here is you'll actually find the download icon right under that video. Now keep in mind that not all the applications and all the videos may have this option available, so you can tap the download option, and if you have premium you can actually download in full 1080p quality, or you can select medium quality and keep on download in order to save this video. If you want to view the download, you can come to this page and then just go to downloads, and you should be able to see a list of downloads that you have. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically save videos from YouTube. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.